Hey, what's up guys? Sam B Garage. So I know it's been a while. I've been really busy and doing college, and I've been working at the same time, so it's been hard to find some time to make videos. But today I'm actually going to be removing the bumper on my Kia Stinger. So I hit something and I completely messed up my front grip. My bottom front grill, so you'll see it's like destroyed. So I got a new one right here. Bought a new one. I got that on Amazon. It actually is genuine, so it's clutch. Got a pretty good deal on it. But so today I'm gonna remove the bumper and also switch out that grill. But mostly today is just gonna be a tutorial on how to remove the bumper on the Kia Stinger. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is remove. There's gonna be 5 of these push clips right here. They're plastic clips, and all you really need to do is just get a screwdriver, a flathead, and pry this up a little bit. You gotta be careful, they break easy. You can buy special like pry tools for this, but I usually just use a flathead. You pull up this inside part and the whole tab will come up. You just get these first 5. All right, then right after that, you're gonna wanna take off these little vanity covers right here. So there's gonna be one right here, one on the other side. They literally just pop up. Just be careful not to break it. You just pry it up. And once you got these plates off, you'll see right in there, there's a 10mm bolt. So you just want to take this out, and the same thing on the other side. There's going to be one right under here. All right, so the next step after taking out those 10mm bolts up there, you want to go to your fender well, and there's going to be 3 clips here, here, and here. I know I'm missing one. And then a 10mm right here. And just as a tip, I'd recommend turning your wheel just to give you some more room. You don't have to, but it helps. All right, so once you have those all out, and this 10mm bolt out right here, now you go under the car, and you pretty much just need to take out all the clips holding your base plate right here. So I believe there's like 5. Mine, I have my front lip right here, so it's gonna make things a little harder. But so you just take out all these, and then you should be able to take the bumper off. And you're probably gonna have to jack up the car. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So my car's lowered, and even when it's not lowered, it's still hard to get under here. So definitely recommend jacking up the car. All right, so that's pretty much all the bolts you need to get and all the clips you need to get. So once you take out all those, I just pretty much just folded down my base plate. As you can see, I got some real damage down here. Yeah, I hit some like a raccoon or something. I don't even know what I hit. It was at night, but completely destroyed my front grille, and it looks like the base, like where my radiator is. Yeah, it sucks. It is what it is though. But anyways, so once you have all those out, now you pretty much just, you pull up on here, this will disconnect. And I already did this, but you literally just pull up and this will pull forward here. Same thing on the other side. Pull up. And then this, just gonna take a second. You just pull up. And then there's gonna be a harness right here that you're gonna have to unplug, and I'll show you in 1 second. So this is something that's good practice. If you're gonna be disconnecting sensors like that, definitely recommend disconnecting your negative terminal. So your battery's just right under your spare tire, right down there. And yeah, you just wanna disconnect your negative terminal. Just to prevent any issues like codes popping up once you disconnect a sensor. Okay, so on the driver's side, you'll see there's a sensor right there. So what you just need to do, just grab this latch right here, pull this back towards you, push it in like that, and it should unplug just like that. Now you're ready to pull the bumper. So there's only one of me here, but pretty much you just lift it off this, and it'll come right off now. All right, just like that, the bumper's off. All right, so now I'm gonna be installing my lower front grille, but that's gonna be another video. All right, thanks guys.